This is Emily. Emily is 23 years old. She grew up in a small village near the mountains. She has always dreamed of living in a big city. Emily loves learning new things, meeting people, and exploring new places. One day, Emily decided to move to the city to find a new job and start a new life. She packed her bags and said goodbye to her family and friends. She was excited, but also a little scared. There were many cars, tall buildings, and a lot of people everywhere. She learned how to make coffee, serve cakes, and talk to customers. Many people came to the coffee shop every day. Some were friendly and liked to talk. Emily loved listening to their stories. The room was small, but it was enough for her to sleep and study. She wanted to find a good job, so she woke up early every day to look for work. At first, she felt lost. She didn't know anyone and didn't know where to go. Emily signed up for the class. She met people from many countries. They all wanted to learn and help each other. She felt more confident talking to people and helping tourists. She even helped some new workers at the coffee shop learn how to do the job. When Emily arrived in the city, everything looked so big and fast. She wanted to save money and study at the university. She dreamed of becoming a teacher and helping other people learn English too. She made new friends at work and in the library. She explored parks, museums, and small shops. But she also knew that with hard work and a kind heart, she could build the life she always wanted. She took pictures and shared them with her family back in the village. She followed the sound and found a small kitten under a car. She remembers the girl from the small village who was brave enough to follow her dream. And she knows this is just the beginning. The kitten was cold and hungry. Emily took the kitten home and gave it some milk and a warm blanket. Emily found a small room to rent in an old building. One morning, she saw an advertisement for a job at a coffee shop near her building. She went inside and talked to the manager. The manager was kind and friendly. He asked her some questions and gave her the job. Emily was so happy. She wanted to improve her English and learn new skills. She read books, watched videos, and took notes. Sometimes she felt tired, but she never gave up. Every day, Emily woke up early and went to work at the coffee shop. After work, Emily often went to the library. One evening, while walking home from the library, Emily heard someone crying. The kitten made Emily feel less lonely. She named it Snowy because it had white fur. Every morning, Snowy waited for Emily to come back from work. Snowy was her new friend. Months passed, and Emily started to feel more comfortable in the city. One day, a customer at the coffee shop told Emily about a free English class at a community center. Emily's English improved a lot. 1 year later, Emily was still working at the coffee shop, but she had a bigger plan. Emily knew that life in the city was not always easy. Now, every time she walks down the busy streets, she smiles.